We're tapping that 100, baby. We're tapping it. All right, let's do, that was 2 back-to-back low runs. We're gonna do a high run same way. I don't think we're gonna get it any better than that without touching the engine. We didn't do any intake mods or anything, just exhaust. If we were to play with the intake, possibly, that's close enough to 100. We're gonna play with the clutch. I have an idea. I think I can get a little bit more RPM out of it. Not really gonna help on the bottom, I don't think, but definitely gonna help on the top. So we're gonna play with clutching today, and let's see what we can do. Sorry, covering up addresses and shit. Appreciate your orders, guys. She's working diligently to get them out. Daddy, you working diligently?
I haven't stopped.
If I'd have left it up to you, you'd have worked until midnight last night from Friday.
I came back Friday after we got off for the cookout, and I tried to ask if
she tried to work, and I said no. Boy, oh boy, do I got some exciting news for you guys today. Just leaked to my inbox from my source, who hasn't been wrong over the years. They've been right. They've been 100% right so far. So can they be right today? 5 new Z10 models coming. So you guys were excited for the Z10 and the Z10-4. The Z10 and the Z10-4 was what, 140 horsepower? Well, I got news for you. I've been told that there's 200 horsepower coming across 5 new models. So, from what I understand, the Z10, the Z10-4, that's 2 models, is gonna be 140 horsepower. These must be gonna be the base model. There is 3 more coming. So you have the Z10R and the Z10R4. Those 2 models are gonna be 200 horsepower from what I'm hearing, guys. This is freaking amazing. Amazing news. This makes me not wanna buy the Z10. I want that 200 horsepower, but there's better than that coming. Now, I don't have a lot of information, but I have enough to assume a few things. There's a Z10 EXR. Well, what does EX mean in the CF Moto world? Wider. So if memory serves me right, the Z10 is 64 inches wide. I believe that is. I'd have to look up the specs. But I believe that model was 64 inches wide. If they have a Z10 EXR coming, what is that going to be? 68, 70 inches wide with 200 horsepower? That sounds to me like a long travel buggy, guys. I think CF Moto has a long travel 200 horsepower buggy coming. That is going to be sweet. That is going to be something wild. Now, another announcement that I have is we are getting heat and AC in the U10 models coming soon. Hopefully in a couple months. So the Z10 is supposed to be here by July. I don't think we're getting the extra models when that one comes. I think that's going to be a 2026 early, maybe 2027 announcement. I don't know, but I could be wrong. They could turn me out to be a fool and drop them all tomorrow. But for you U10 Pro Highland guys, you guys are wanting that heat, AC, the cab, the windows. Those are going to be announced early April, like the first week of April, they're going to announce all that. So that is awesome. I should get me one of those too. I was going to go get a U10, but I just borrow one for clutching. I don't need one. I got enough U-Forces here. But I might get that heat and AC cab model just for those chilly days when I want to go ride. So guys, this is huge announcement. And again, this is just speculation from my source, and my source has not been wrong as of yet over the years. So we shall see what we get. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below. Would you hold off for the 200 horsepower model? Would you hold off for the 200 4-seat model? Would you take the 140? I'd probably take the 140, but knowing there's a 200 coming, that 140 ain't gonna sell to me, baby. No, I'm a hold out till the 200 horsepower model gets here. Maybe I'll buy the 140 and then let my wife have that one. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what goes. Definitely. So guys, man, that also with the wider one, that means for you mud guys, that means a little bit more lift. That means bigger tires, less mods to do that. Oh man, I can't wait. Guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anything you need for your CF Moto, www.rngperformance.net, or give us a call, 330-806-0728, and we'll be happy to help you today. Peace out. God bless, guys. Leave us comments down below on your thoughts. What model do you want? What one is going to suit you? The wider one with more horsepower, or the base model? I guess you could call them base models. They don't look very bassy to me. They look pretty sweet. Just low on horsepower, that's all. Peace out, guys. No need to second guess it. There's only one clutch kit on this planet that is this smooth for your CF Moto. Check that out. Oh yeah. Barely even on the throttle. Smooth as can be. Smooth. Let's drop her into low, because I know low is the most jerkiest gear. Check that out. Barely even on it. Oh yeah. Don't second guess it. Don't spend double the money. Buy the right kit the first time. rngperformance.net, and you'll be on your way to a smooth ride today. Go ahead and get this beast loaded up on the trailer. Just like that. Only with the RNG clutch. We took our Gen 2 and we put some Maxxis Roxilla 32 10x14 tires on this thing. We went ahead and we installed our RNG Performance clutch kit. We also went ahead and used the Perfix 2-inch lift kit that we sell on our website. Check out all of our products, www.rngperformance.net. Our clutch kit makes this thing nice and smooth with these big tires. If you want your C-Force 800 1000 to perform that the same way, all you got to do, get yourselves one of these from www.rngperformance.net. Search for Gen 3 C-Force clutch kit. It'll come right up. We also have some awesome looking shifters in stock too. That's the 800. Can you imagine what the 1000 does?
RNG clutch kit gives you better throttle control. Watch this. Why haven't you got one yet?